Experiencing a key fob not detected error in your 2019-2025 fifth-gen Ram truck? You're not alone. This problem, affecting an estimated 10 to 15% of owners, prevents starting the vehicle or unlocking doors. It stems from communication issues between the key fob and the truck's RF systems. Begin by checking the key fob's CR2032 battery. A weak battery is a common culprit. Replacement is a simple DIY fix. Next, try an RF hub reset. This module, located under the driver's seat, manages wireless signals. Disconnect the truck's battery for 5 to 10 minutes to clear errors and recalibrate the system. This often resolves software glitches causing the detection failure. Also, be aware of Stellantis recalls and updates from 2024 to 2025. In April 2024, Stellantis issued a recall for 2021 to 2024 Ram 1500 trucks, addressing a wiring harness defect in the ignition switch that could lead to intermittent key fob detection failure. This affected about 500,000 vehicles and required dealer reprogramming or harness replacement. A follow-up software update in September 2024 resolved many cases by calibrating the wireless ignition node. If battery replacement and RF hub reset don't resolve the issue, try antenna tricks. The truck has antennas in the door handles and center console. Place the key fob near the start button to boost the signal. Another trick involves cycling the ignition switch off and on several times, or pressing the brake while holding the start button. These are temporary solutions, especially in areas with RF interference. However, persistent issues often indicate deeper problems like faulty wiring, corroded connectors, or module failures. In such cases, visit a dealer for diagnosis and potential module reprogramming. Be aware of Stellantis extending warranties for RF-related components to 7 years or 100,000 miles in response to complaints. Keep your Uconnect software up to date with over-the-air updates, as Stellantis prioritizes digital fixes over recalls, reducing dealer visits. Remember, DIY repairs can void warranties, so prioritize professional diagnosis to avoid safety risks like ignition lockouts.